Good evening, EHANG community. Price is crazy and dropping, and what's happening? Like you asking yourself, are we going down like to $40 or even below to $30, or what's gonna happen for the price of our coming days? That's all the question we're gonna answer in this video. But before we go to the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video, no BS, no editing, straight to the information with a trading Jesus that always say to you, never FOMO and always hunt for the right price value. So let's go to the video and let's see what's happened. I told you in a video before, guys, the price is actually, I told you, is about to explode because I told you is we actually trading at this channel. This is yesterday. And I told you we're gonna explode if, only if, we actually retest it again at this level, and we need a confirmation with the volume. But guess what? The stock market actually don't care about our emotion or our need. It's just go to the price that's been actually valued already in the market. That's why when we actually, I told you guys yesterday, there's no volume, and it's crazy when you want to actually hit or go past any resistance level, you need a volume to support it. And guess what? We didn't get this. I told you guys, this is not healthy because when we actually go here and the volume actually dropping and we actually going up, but without the volume support us, is dead. It's not like here. I showed you guys here, we got the volume support us before we actually get the drop, and really nice because we actually hit many resistance level and we break them easily. But here we don't have a volume. I told you guys this is a worrying sign, and that's what we got. We got this candle yesterday, and today, boom, we got a red candle, and we almost 7% down. But there's a good sign here because when we drop and we didn't test the resistance level at 53, and of course we don't have the volume, that's why we dropped. But we got buying power here at where? At really exactly at the price that we actually set at 45. You see, guys, this candle, the wick just that's our support level. That's what it tell you. It tell you this price is really good price that the smart money actually bought at. That's why there's trigger their buy limit order here. At the time being, this is the price is really good to buy at 45, guys, and that's why we got big jump until 47. And this is what you need when we actually get rejected from any resistance level and we go to our support. We need the big pressure buying power. If we didn't see this candle, guys, like if we see by tomorrow another red candle and it closes full here and we touch this again, as I told you always, the more we touch the support or resistance, the more likely we break it. But if we don't break it, we're gonna jump from it. So just slight, if we touch it and we just gonna below the 45, guys, at 44, there's a high percentage that we actually go to our exponential moving average at 41. You see is coiling up a bit. That's why there's high percentage. Maybe if we actually by tomorrow we have a full candle actually closes and we touch the 45, this is it show us there's a more high pressure, seller pressure than buying pressure. That's why maybe we're gonna break this level if we actually have a full candle, not like wick. This is really good to see a wick, but from now by tomorrow we don't need the candle to close this below this candle. If we saw a red candle by tomorrow again below this candle, this is show us that big possibility that we're gonna go down and rebound from this level at 41, because we're gonna see our 200 MA and we're gonna bounce from this level. The price value will be actually lowered because there's no buyer here and there's much seller at this level at 45. But at the moment, at what I see, this is really good to get this bounce, because this bounce, if we got a candle closes above by tomorrow here, this show us that this is price is actually been respected and there's a lot of high buying power. That's why we actually bounce back and we actually retest our level again. And this time we need a volume to support us to go above, and we close above in order to actually go higher. Other than that, there's no wishful thinking. I just see what the markets tell me and the charts tell me, and I tell you guys. So never actually have bias. Always be subjective and see the truth, and never actually have bias. So you actually can see what's the chart and the story have to tell you. And as I told you guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification bell so you never miss any from my future updates. As I always say, never FOMO, and always hunt for the price value, because it always come to you if you know and you're open your eyes and you never have a bias. You're gonna see the price and you never actually feel stressed and FOMOing, because you know that the price will come to you, not running after the price. So guys, see you in the next update, and let's see some green. See you guys.